Yo, got these cats out here. They in hunting mode. Got one down here watching the ground. Got one up there. Where you at? There you go.
Come on, assalamu alaikum.
Hey, welcome, son.
Come. I know, we just come to be okay?
Okay, this one.
No, I bring you, have your clothes.
Down on the ground. And that one up there.
I don't have no white
Yeah, he's blended in the trees. You can barely see him. See him? Is that him? Yeah. Cats out here hunting. Got one down here watching the ground. We got two in the air. You got one right there. There's another one up there. Look at him. Come from behind the tree. They slick. Oh, he coming down? Man, they so comfortable in them trees. And look how they blend in. You can barely see him. Look at him. He look brown like the tree. And that one look red like the leaves in October. And the guard kitty on the ground on the left. Man, every time I move around, it's barely hard to see them because they so camouflaged. I can see him. Look at him. See that? Yeah, he down there on the ground. Doing the watch out there. Hey, did y'all get some food, cats? See you looking all crazy. Did you eat? Huh? Did you find something? Why y'all acting like y'all stuck? Looking at me all crazy. Can you jump from that far? Okay, he coming down. One step at a time. Come on down. You ready? All right? Hey, kitty, you ain't gonna help your buddies? Look like they stuck. It's amazing how cats get stuck. Come on, kitty. Uh-oh, you falling. You falling. Oh, you falling. Oh. You falling, kitty. Hold on. Hold on. Hey, hold on. Oh, you got away. What about you, man? What you gonna do? Man, you camouflage good up in there. And you brown. You ain't got that October red. Come on, kitty, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, buddy. Ah!
I take the video.
Hey, we get crazy.
We take everything. Come on, let's go.